Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do another magic trick.
Do you agree that this is a normal deck of cards?
Yes, that looks like a normal deck of cards.
I'm going to shuffle it a bit, just to make sure. And now give me a number from 5 to 15.
11.
So you go here, I want you to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And the 11th card, you want to turn it over without showing me and see the card. And show the camera as well.
Okay. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's the 11th card. There you go. Camera, can you see that card? Okay. Right.
You press back it up.
Okay.
I got a piece of paper. I'm going to rip it up and get this on. I think I know your card. I'll put it into the orange on a piece of paper and cut it open.
Wow.
Ace of diamonds.
Yes! Wow! That's amazing. Wow. How did you even get into the orange?
Now this is how the trick works. First you need to look at the top card of the deck. In this case it's the 9 diamonds. You need to write that with a piece of paper. Now you need to make sure the 9 diamonds are also the top in the whole trick. You can shuffle it as much as you want as long as it's on the top. If you see the 9 diamonds, it's still on the top. Now you ask them to choose any number from 5 to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 9 diamonds is here. You place it on top. Make sure you don't show them the 9 diamonds. Now when they count to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 9 diamonds are on the top. And then you show them the piece of paper that you wrote before and say that you already knew the card. So that's it for the video. Until next time.